The future of grilling has arrived, right in your own backyard. Green Mountain Grills, combining the age-old real wood fuel of our ancestors with 21st century technology. Along with award-winning spices, rubs, and sauces that'll turn you into the culinary king of your neighborhood. And with Green Mountain Grills, you can do it all. Even manage your grilling right from your smartphone. With the ultimate versatility of Green Mountain Grills, you can slow cook, barbecue, smoke, grill, sear, braise, roast, and bake. Savor all that you can do with Green Mountain Grills. Why just cook when you can create magic?